José Moll Hernandez.
The sun don't reach weary eyes, no, the light don't pierce down in the mines. 40 years, like 40 lives, only whistles blowing to mark the time. Oh, way, way down we go. Gotta rip that soul out of the ground while we walk that long walk to the sound. Hammer and steel, steel on stone. Yeah, we work those fingers to the bone. Way, way down we go. Try to save my soul down deep where the river flows. Lord, help me bear that load. Break my back for dark black gold. With every scar etched in my hands, that's the price of the promised land. I'll take my money, what's left of my pride, and escape across the county line. Start somewhere new, where I'm unknown. Yeah, it's time for me to just let go. Way out of town I go. Try to save my soul. Way up where the sunshine glows. Lord, lead me on that road, far away from the dark black gold. Take what's left of this man. That's the price of the promised land.
Y solo quiero dar las gracias a Live Life Fábrica, a Live Life Ibérica, a Santi Ares por todo su esfuerzo que hace y lo que me ayuda, y esto se va a ser el principio de muchas.